How do I find last year's AGI in TurboTax? Hello everybody. In order to do that, you may follow up these methods. So you may head over to Intuit TurboTax official website and log in into your account. After that, in order to look for the solutions, you may head over to IRS Gov first. After that, when you head over to there, you may scroll down and there we will be finding how can we help you section. So from this given options, head over to get your tax record option. Click on it. Once you go ahead and click on it here, you will be provided a solution. So you may directly tap on sign into online account, but you need to fill up these requirements at the above first. You may read it out like how much you owe, looking at your payment history and everything. Provide them with these details and sign in into your online account. After that, you need to follow the on-screen prompts in order to do that. Otherwise, you may use the search bar at the top and type in tax transcript in the search. And after typing in that, here also you will be getting a option from where you can get transcript. Otherwise, I'll provide a detail of what you should do. So go on and follow the on-screen instructions, and then you should be able to do it again. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.